NBA prize picks for Tuesday, April 23rd. I'm Sniper from DFS Army. As you can tell, the voice is struggling, so going to be a quicker video today. Probably do me a favor, hit the like button. I got two plays for you, and we have been a little cold. If you want to join the fade train, I can't even blame you at this point. But we're going to keep going through the process. It's been a long-term winner. We'll go to the DFS Army Proptimizer. We'll see if we can break this cold streak. Let's go to work. All right, this is the DFS Army Proptimizer. I already have it all sorted out for my top two plays. You got prize pick lines, you got sportsbook odds, you got a projection model, the last 5, 10, 15 tool you want access. Links are down below. Sniper 20 for 20% off. It's PJ Washington. More than 12.5 points plus assists. Sportsbook have it lined at 13.5. It's pretty much a straight pick 'em. Well, the lines have moved a little bit. Points bet was closer to a pick 'em on this line a little bit earlier when I was researching. But pretty much these lines should not be down at 12.5. If anything, maybe bumped to 13. But 12.5 is too low just based on the odds. Projection model has it at 14.2. I know he missed it in game one of the series, but he's getting plenty of minutes. I think he played over 35 minutes in this game. I think Dallas is going to be just fine here, I think, in the series. I don't think the Clippers are going to run him over, although I suppose the home teams have been running it up so far here in the playoffs. Regardless, I think he's going to get more looks. The only regular season game Washington played against the Clippers, I believe he had 18 points in that game. I think he's going to be more involved here. Dallas only scored 90-something in game one, and he still put up 11 points plus assists. And as you can see, he has made it in 8 of the last 10 games. Sorry, guys. Voice is really bothering me. Doing my best here. So you got odds, projection form. I'm definitely one of those people who you go on vacation and just always come back sick. Just brutal. Let's go ahead. Let's pull up PJ Washington. And we will go more than 12.5 points plus assists as play number 1. Back to the Proptimizer. Play number 2, it's Chris Middleton. It's a less than play. It's less than 1.5 blocks plus steals. Line at minus 135 at Caesars, minus 130 at BetMGM. Projection model has it just under at 1.46. However, he's also been under in 8 of the last 10 games, including just one last time out against Indiana. I always think Indiana is going to give up more steals and blocks than they do with how fast they play. But again, Middleton only 8 of the last 10 and kind of checks all the boxes here. So this will be play number 2. Don't go anywhere. We are going to do the NHL sneak peek that I have been doing. Got some good feedback on that. Those plays, oddly enough, have been decent. Excuse me again if you heard that, trying to cough away from the microphone. So that's play number 2. Let's head back to the Proptimizer real quick. Let's do the NHL and MLB sneak peeks for today. Nathan McKinnon, more than 4.5 shots on goal. Be play number 1 for the NHL sneak peek, and the MLB sneak peek tells us the top play on the board right now would be Jose Ramirez, more than 1.5 hits, runs, and RBIs over 3 of the last 5, minus 165. That is massive odds value. I hope it's still available when the tacos come out later, because that will be definitely one of my plays. All right, let's go do the recap. If you're not on Prizepicks, Underdog, or Sleeper, you want a deposit match, links down below. Code SNIPER for your 100% deposit match. But for now, here's the recap. It's PJ Washington, more than 12.5 points plus assists, and Chris Middleton, less than 1.5 blocks plus steals. We locked that in. We got through the video being under the weather. Do me a favor, didn't already, hit that like button. And here's your daily reminder that whether or not you are a DFS Army member, you probably should be. But either way, good luck in those contests, and I'll see you next time.